Okay, for this video, we're going to learn about whole number expanded form, and I'm going to show you the first method that we can do this. Okay, we write numbers in expanded form to represent the place values. Okay, so we do this in 5th grade, so I know that you know the values of the place values. Our place value system is the language of math, and if we do not understand the language of math, you cannot do anything in math. So this is the very foundation. This is what everything else that we do in math is based on. It's based on the numbers, so we have to know the language. Okay? So, we're going to write this in expanded form, and we're going to do exactly what it sounds like. We're going to expand this number. So, with this first method, the way I think is that we go to this 9. This 9 is not really a 9. It represents more than a 9. So we have to know, what does it represent? Well, it's in the millions place. So this 9 is not really a 9. It's a 9 million. So we would write 9 million. Because that's what that 9 represents. And that's why we're writing this in the expanded form. So I know that you know that this 9 represents 9 million. Okay? And that 3 is not really a 3. What does that 3 represent? It represents 300,000. So I'm going to write 300,000. That 4 is not really a 4. What does that 4 represent? Well, it's in the 10,000th place, so it's going to represent 40,000. That 5 is not really a 5. What place value is it in? It's in the 1000th place. So that number 5 doesn't represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of something. It represents 5,000 of something. That 6 is not really a 6. It doesn't represent 6. What does it represent? It represents 600. That 3 is not really a 3. What does it represent? It represents 30 of something because it's in the tens place. And the 2 is actually a 2. Since it's in the ones place, it actually represents 2 of something. 1, 2. So if we would actually put all these numbers back into the calculator just like it is written as this math problem, 9 million plus 300,000 plus 400,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2, we would get back to this number. Okay? Beyond 5th grade, you're really not going to be writing numbers in expanded form like this because look how much space it takes up. It's really not functional to use numbers like this in everyday life. That's why we have standard form. But we write it in expanded form now because we have to understand that each of these place values has their own value. Okay? To see if you understand it, I have 2 example problems here on the right side of the board that I would like you to try. Okay? So I would like you, using the method that I just showed you, put 376,358 in the expanded form. And I would also like you to put 30,792 in expanded form. So just a reminder, these will go in your math journals. Right after that last example we did with word form, skip a line, title it Whole number expanded form, method 1. Have the notes. You can pause the video at any time. You can watch the video as many times as you need. You can really work at your own pace to make sure that you're understanding this. Monday we'll come in, we'll talk about it, we'll do some more examples, and I'll make sure that everybody understands it.